Okay, I'm at the Leela Palace in New Delhi, India. Room 934. And it's awesome. Chaz is working away there at the desk. We got our luggage here, we got a mirror over here, a picture, and robes, like silk robes, nice slippers. Extremely fine amenities here. We'll go ahead and look at the bathroom. All right. The bathtub. This kind of reminds me, there's more rows with the Leela logo on them. Okay, so there's some fun buttons here. You've got speakerphone and you've got spa mood lighting. You can go high, medium, or low for the mood lighting there. And what else do we have? We have a controller for this TV. Okay, so that you can watch TV while you're in the bath, which reminds me of the Ritz-Carlton in Hong Kong. Bath salts there, loofah, scale, towels, and sinks. And these amenities here. Okay, and here is the toilet and the shower, which is kind of becoming like standard in any nice hotel. You've got that rainforest shower head, and you've got a shower head there, and then you've got another. So you're gonna make sure and get really nice and clean here. And then there's your shower gel and shampoo and whatnot. Okay, it's hard to keep myself out of the video in this. There's a lot of mirrors. Okay, moving on. Another closet here with these drawers down here. I believe the safe is here as well. All right, and here's the room itself, or the bedroom part. Very nice. This is a royal premiere room is what it's called. Kind of get a view out there. I'll go over there in a second. Okay, and almost done. Got this welcome amenity, I guess, with some little cookies and apples and such. TV here. All right, let's just look real quick here. They've got a lot of stuff. I saw this. We've got a friend who's in another room here, and so we've already kind of seen all this. Whoops. And there's, I guess that's tea and coffee and so forth. Okay, and then of course another little mini bar here. Okay. And I don't know if there's anything, oh yeah, some more stuff. Pringles and so forth, ice bucket, and an espresso machine. All right. And there's Chaz, and I'm not sure if he's actually doing any actual work or just acting like he's doing work.
Writing my journal.
Oh, your journal. Oh, okay. Wasn't aware that you kept a journal, Chaz. A newspaper there next to the chair. Anyway, very, very fancy. We're like very impressed, and you know, I gotta say, I mean, this is great. India's great, but it's a little hectic, a little chaotic, and in that respect, it's nice to be able to come back to a hotel like this. So the value of a hotel like this is almost greater in a place where, you know, you need to come and kind of recharge after the day. So there's kind of a view of Delhi. It's very green, a lot of trees, and that's pretty much it. Let's wrap it up. That's the room in a nutshell here at the Leela Palace. All right.